Okay, I have a big problem. So I'm supposed to be editing videos, but instead all I'm doing is just playing games and procrastinating. And that's not gonna do it. So my solution is to make a program that's gonna store everything I'm doing in a database and show it to me 24/7. I mean, not really 24/7 because I can't really have a window taking my screen 24/7. So I'm just gonna have it on a Google Calendar. Yeah, but basically I'm gonna log everything I'm doing 24/7 so that every time I open Google Calendar to check my classes or what I have to do for the day, I can see that the previous day all I did was playing video games for 24 hours. So yeah, that's gonna make me feel good, isn't it? Okay, so here's the plan. All I'm gonna have is I'm gonna have a Discord channel somewhere or a Discord DM somewhere where I'm gonna text it, start something and end something. And that's gonna be it. All I want is to send a Discord message and it'll be like, oh yeah, I know what to do. It's supposed to do that. Oh, it's supposed to do that. So yeah, and because all I know is to code Python, I'm probably gonna make a Python server that every time I start my PC starts automatically so that I don't have to think about it 24/7 and I can just start, type on my Discord server, this, install automatically and then end and it automatically creates the thing. That's the plan. Okay, now we have another problem. So I'm trying to make the thing work, but for some reason it just wouldn't. Look, okay, look, come on. Okay, so look here, as you can see, I have result failed. I tried to install Python, it wouldn't work. Why? I don't fucking know, but it doesn't work. It just wouldn't work. So I've got a solution. I was like, okay, I need to install OpenSSL, but no, this also failed. So what do I do now? I don't fucking know. But then I looked into it and turns out the issue is not me. The issue, it's fucking Oracle. If you look in here, you see what? It's Oracle Linux 7.9. The issue is that for some unknown fucking reason, Oracle decided that no, we're gonna prohibit anything over Python 3.6 on Oracle Linux 7 for no reason whatsoever. It just wouldn't work. So now for this to work, I've got a genius idea. I'm gonna do something that I wanted to do forever, and I'm finally gonna do it. I decided to buy a Raspberry Pi. It's $70. So for now, it only works on my PC if I want it to work on my PC. Otherwise, I can't use it anywhere else. So yeah. I can't. Okay, so I was about to call it a day and just like, okay, that's the end for today. And I remembered I need to make so that every time I start my PC, the script starts. And again, I have no idea how to do that, so I'm just gonna Google it, I guess. So let's do it together. I'm sure there'll be really a bunch of info on how to do it. Alright, how to make a Python script relatively at startup. Let's see, I'll decide Python on startup, there we go. Okay, so I thought I just had to put it in a startup, and when I did just like that, I got a cool little surprise. For some reason, permission denied. God knows why, but permission denied. So yeah, fuck me, I guess. Okay, we are a few days later, so I tried like every solution to try to make it work on the server online without really paying too much, and I couldn't find anything really interesting. So I guess the final solution is to actually buy a Raspberry Pi and then to just run it. I can just use it later if I want to like run a Minecraft server or whatever. It's always useful to have a Raspberry Pi anyway, so well, I'll just buy one, it's fine. Let me just look at my bank account really quick. Oh, ooh, okay. Okay. Hey, sorry to interrupt your scheduled broadcast, but this part of the video is sponsored by my Patreon. Did you know you could get videos a week early? And then special content? Like this month's off vlog, which is basically my life, sort of, that I'm not recording of course, put together in a small video, but for this month I actually forgot February, so you get February and March in the same month. That's crazy! You can also get spoils and exciting content on my own events. If you know, I do organize a Minecraft event and I like to sometimes share some stuff that I'm working on, and so I'm sharing them on Patreon. You also get access to exclusive content, just as you also get access to podcasts. That's right, even though the podcast has ended, at least season 1, there's still sub-special podcasts that are available on Patreon. And then I'm thinking of also making some more stuff in the future. But yeah, if you want to support me and support my content, feel free to go on patreon.com/thefox580. It's also one of the links in the description. If you look at Patreon, it's probably the Patreon link. It's probably this one. Yeah. And if you're on Patreon watching this, which you shouldn't by the way, because on Patreon this should be cut off. Yeah, thank you for being on Patreon. That's cool, guys. Thank you for the support. Yeah. Anyway, back to the video. Okay, we're back. So it's been. Has it been a month? I feel like the title right before that was lying. It can't be a month, right? What day is it today? Oh shit, it has been a month. Ooh, okay, well, that took a little bit longer than expected. But it's fine. I have right here 2 Amazon package. One of them is the Raspberry Pi. The other one, it's not. It's just a 3DS charger because I don't have mine. So I might have bought one because I lost mine. Yeah, okay. Let's get right to it. Let me just really quickly set you up, guys. Is it the DS or the Raspberry Pi? Let's see. Was that very satisfying? I think like I blocked the whole shop by doing that. Oh shit, we failed the misery box. It was a 3DS charger. We have to look on the positive side here. This one is the right one. Shit. Oh shit, it's all sticky now. There it is, Raspberry Pi. It's actually quite small. I thought it'd be bigger. Wow. Okay, no, it actually is the first time I'm seeing one. All right. Now to plug it up. Oh, it works. Wait, hold on. Do I need to like set up USB? Well, I've never used a Raspberry Pi, so I don't know how to set it up correctly. But there's a massive QR code, so I guess I'm supposed to scan it up. Okay, it works. I got my whole Raspberry thing set up. It only took, well, what time is it? Oh, midnight. It only took 8 hours to set it up. It's fine. I was not planning on like, you know, wasting my time. There's only one thing I want to show you though, guys. I don't know if you can read very well. Low voltage warning. So you're telling me this is low voltage? Great. Right. No, it's fine. I have this cable with a USB adapter. There we go. And then somewhere in my trunk, God knows where, I should have. There we go. Right here. Boom. Wasn't even planned. I have an adapter. Boom. There you go. Just like that. What did it say? 100 volts, 5 watts. 5 watt. Okay. No, 5 watts. I think the Raspberry Pi 4 requires 15 watts to work properly. Now this is going great. This is going fantastic. Spectacular. Before I unplug everything and break everything, I've actually managed to make everything work. I know, crazy, right? I'm like, that's like, what? That's what I'm supposed to do? Crazy. Let me show you an example. Okay, so as you can see, I got it working, as always. Right here, focus, test, there we go, the test worked. Right here, as you can see, I've started in the test, that obviously works. And then, as you can see here, I'm logged into my Raspberry Pi with Activity Tracker, and I just set up the environment, and yeah, it just works. So you can see it just started and ended the task. Yeah, the whole code is here, as you can see. Although small problem, turns out Raspberry Pi, when you execute Python code, it doesn't really like the fact that you're using Python to log into a website, especially when you're only using the command prompt. So it opens my Google, the Google login page on my console, and because the console doesn't have JavaScript enabled, or at least built-in JavaScript, it didn't work. So I did have to reset the token on my PC and then just transfer it over to the Raspberry Pi. But yeah, I have a Raspberry Pi. I have the whole thing working. That really was just a goal, wasn't it? I'm just thinking about it now. I've done it. It only took me like a month, but I did it. It's working. I do have to test if it works. If the whole thing I want to try works. He's online. Huge. Alright, well, now that works. I know I can just DM this little guy and then it'll always work. Apart from when it won't. That means that I have to restart the server. Great. Well, that's way too zoomed in. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. This legit was somehow sort of a nightmare. I don't know why. It should have been fine, but it turned into a nightmare for some reason. Especially at the end where I spent about 30 minutes trying to fix a problem that just was to disconnect and reconnect, and that just fixed the issue. Well, now I know. But yeah, thank you everybody for watching. The code and everything is available in the description. There you go. It's online. It's up to date. You can download the code in the description right now. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week for another video. I need to edit probably last week's video, which was the 2-point campus video. That one was fun to record. I even got like $1 million. If you want to check it out, you can probably click on it not right now, but right after this cue, like right now.